Another one? Jeez. Oh, shut up.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hill County in central Texas, southwestern Ellis County in north central Texas, west central Navarro County in north central Texas, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles west of Italy, moving south at 15 miles per hour.
Oh, shut up.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
This about my
Impact, hail
recon with
damage
me.
to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Of course, blue flag's taken.
Locations impacted include Italy, Carl's Corner, Milford, Frost, Mertens, Foreston, 5 Points, Brandon, and Irene. This includes Interstate 35E between mile markers 373 and 392. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall
I'm
is
sorry
occurring
I
with
can't
this storm
attack.
and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Imagine a doubleheader.
Severe thunderstorm located over